Good morning, students, and welcome to Pawan Tutorials. Welcome again. Now, in today's lecture, we are going to solve practical questions on knowledge of numbers from practice set 1.1. Look at the first question, students. Let's try to understand the first question. Look at the board. In first question, the question is 257941 are the given digits. Choosing any 5 of them, we can form many 5-digit numbers. Consider the smallest of them. What is the difference between the place value and face value of the digits at the thousands place in that number? Now students, the digits are, look at the board, 257941, and we have to choose any 5 of them, and we have to form the smallest number. So tell me students, in order to form the smallest number, which order we are supposed to follow? Whether ascending order or a descending order? Yes students, yes, in order to form the smallest number, one has to follow the ascending order of numbers. Now let me write ascending order. AO means what students? Ascending order. Now in case of ascending order, the smallest number will come first. From the given digits, which is the smallest number? Tell me students. Yes, it is 1. So let me write 1. After 1, the next number is what? 2. So let us write 2. After that, we have 4. So let me write 4. And then 5. After that, yes, which is the next number? 7. And finally, the greatest number will come 9. Now look at the question, students. What they have asked us, we have to form the smallest number, and they have asked us to consider only 5 digits. So in order to form the smallest number, we will be considering only the smallest numbers. Yes or no? Means from this series, we will have to consider the first 5 digits only. Yes or no? Because they said that we have to choose any 5 of them. Yes or no? So, and we have to form the smallest number. So 5 of them means first 5 digits we will be selecting. So let me write 1, 2, 4, 5 and 7. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which 5 digits I have considered? Number 1, 2, 4, 5 and 7. So these make a 5-digit smallest number. Yes or no students? Will you consider 9? No, we will not consider 9 because this is the greatest number. And they have asked us to find out the smallest 5-digit number. So the smallest 5-digit number in this example is 12,457 students. Now, what to do? What is the next step? What is the difference between the place value and face value of the digits at the thousands place in that number? So, at the thousands place, which digit is there, students? This is units, tens, hundreds and thousands. So, at thousands place, we have digit 2. Yes or no, students? Now they have asked us to find out the difference in between the place value of this digit 2. Now what do you mean by place value? Now as 2 is there at thousands place, its place value will be 2 multiplied by 1000, that is 2000. Why? Because it is, as it is there at thousands place, you will have to multiply it by 1000. Yes or no? So 2 multiplied by 1000, yes students, it gives us 2000. Yes or no, kids? Yes, this is what the place value. Let me write in short form, place value. Now what about face value, students? Yes, face value means what? You have to tell the number itself, irrespective of the place where the number is. Say, here we have to find the face value of 2 means we have to tell the number itself. That is the face value of 2 in the number 12,457. It will be 2 itself. Yes or no, kids? So tell me students, they have asked us to find out the difference in between these two values. That is the place value of 2 is 2000 and the face value is 2. We have to find the difference in between these two figures. So 2000 minus 2 is what, students? Yes, 1998. Yes or no, students? So our option is option number 3. Option number 3 is the answer. Understood, students? Very good. Now let us see the next question. The next question, what they have asked is, what is the difference between the place value of the digits in the hundreds place, let me underline this, hundreds place, and the tens place of the number form by adding the greatest 5-digit natural number and 1-digit smallest number? Yes or no? Students, tell me, which is the greatest 5-digit number? See, in order to find the greatest number, we have to follow the series of 9. If I ask you to find out the greatest 1-digit number, the answer is 9. Greatest 2-digit number is 99. Greatest 3-digit number is 999. Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. So on and so forth. So tell me, students, if you follow this order, which number will be the greatest 5-digit number? Yes, the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Very good. So the greatest 5-digit number is, students, let me write, greatest 5-digit number. Yes or no, student? Just now I told. Come on, tell me. Yes, it is 99,999. Yes or no? Okay, students. Now smallest natural number, smallest 1-digit natural number is what? We learned in the last lecture. The series of natural numbers starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity are called as natural numbers. We use these numbers for counting purpose. So students, tell me, which is the smallest 1-digit natural number? Yes, it is 1. Very good. Now they have asked us to do the sum. So what is the sum? 99,999. If I add 1 in it, what you will get? It is very simple. 1 lakh. Yes or no? So let me write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Yeah. 1 lakh. Now what to do? We have to find out. See, look at the question once again. We have to find out the difference between the place value of the digits in the hundreds place. Now, which digit is there at the hundreds place, students? Look at this. Units, tens, hundreds. 0 is there. Yes or no? And at tens place? Yes. Tens place also 0 is there. It means that, what is the answer? You very well know. What is the place value of this digit 0 in the number 1 lakh? Even though if you multiply 0 by 100, you will get the answer as 0 itself. And 0 multiplied by 10, 0. Yes or no? So 0 minus 0, your final answer is 0. Yes or no? Look at the option. 0 is there in which option? It is there in fourth option. So this is what your answer. Understood, students? Very good. Now look at the next question, students. Question number 3. So what is there in question number 3? Let's try to understand. The question, the digits are 0, 4, 8, 9, 6, 5, 7, 3 are the given digits. Choosing any 5 of them, we can form the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers. Add these numbers in the sum. What is the place value of the digits at the hundreds place in the sum? Okay, now let me erase the board in order to show the working of this particular question. Okay, just a second. Okay, students, tell me, in order to form the greatest number from the given digits, which order will you follow? In order to form the greatest number, we have to follow the descending order of numbers. Yes or no, students? Very good. Now let me write the digits again over here. Question number 3. The digits are 0, 4, 8, 9, then 6, 5, 6, comma 5, then 7, comma 3. So students, let me write the greatest number. So in order to form the greatest number, G number means I am writing in short. G number means greatest number. In order to form the greatest number, student, one has to follow the ascending order or descending order. Tell me, in order to form the greatest number, which order will you follow? Yes, not ascending order, students. You are supposed to follow the descending order. It means that greatest number will be written first. We are supposed to start from the greatest number and we will be moving towards the smallest number. Are you understanding? Okay, so which order? Descending order. So in case of descending order, look at the digit, students. Tell me which is the greatest number. Yes, 9 is the greatest number, students. So 9 will be written first. After that, the next digit is 8. Okay. After that, the next digit from the remaining digits are, yes, 7. 7 gets cancelled. Then the next digit will be 6. After 6, the next digit will be 4. So let me write 4 over here. No, that 5 is there, students. Okay, after 6, this 5 is also there, no? So write 5 and then 4 and finally 3. Second last digit will be 3 and then 0. Are you understanding, kids? Once again, in order to form the greatest number, we are supposed to follow the descending order. So what I did is I first of all wrote the greatest number 9 followed by 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3 and finally the last digit would be 0. Yes, students, now in the question they said that we need to consider only any 5 digits in order to form the greatest number. So which digit you will consider? Yes, we will be considering only the first 5 digit in order to form the greatest number. So in this case, the greatest number would be first 5 digits, that is 98,765. This is what your greatest number. Now students, in order to form the smallest number, which order will you consider? Yes, you will be considering the ascending order. Yes or no? AO means ascending order. Now tell me, these are the digits given to you, students. Look at this. This is what the descending order of the digits. You can reverse it in order to form the ascending order. But tell me, students, whether you will take 0 at the first place. No, we cannot take 0 at the first place. Why, students? Because 0 doesn't carry any value. It will come at the second place. So, next to 0, digit 3 is there. So, let me write 3 first of all. After 3, which digit will come? 0 will come. Okay, students. After that, 4 will come. After 4, 5 will come. 4 digits are over now. Now, 4 digit number has been formed. We have to form the 5 digit number. So, after 5, the next digit is 6. So this is what the smallest 5 digit number, 30,456, students. So with the given digits, we have considered only 5 digits. So the greatest 5 digit number from the given set of digits is 98,765 and the smallest number is 30,456. Yes or no, students? Now what they have asked us? Yes, they have asked us to find the sum. Which sum? Look at this. Choosing any 5 of them, we can form the greatest and the smallest 5 digit numbers. Yeah, this step is over. Add these numbers in the sum. Means we have to add these 2 numbers. So let us add these 2 numbers. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Write 1, carry 1. Okay, this is what? 7. 7, 5, 12, 2, carry 1. This is what? 7 plus 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. And 9 plus 3 is what? It is 12. Yes or no? So the number is 1,29,221. Now they have asked us to find out the place value of the digit at the hundreds place. Now tell me students, in this number 1,29,221, which digit is there at hundreds place? Yes, digit 2 is there at hundreds place. So what is its place value, students? The place value of these two is, as it is at hundreds place, the place value of this particular digit in the number 1,29,221 will be 200. That is, we will have to multiply this 2 by 100. So its place value will be 200. Understood, students? So 200 is there in which option? It is there in first option. So we will mark first option in this question. I hope you must have understood how to solve the practical questions on knowledge of numbers. In my next lecture, we shall see few more questions from this exercise. So if you have understood the things well, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.